What's going on, guys? Today's cocktail is the Anaconda for my Halloween themed cocktails as it continues. So for the Anaconda, it's my own creation this, so it's going to be tiki based, it's going to be a rum cocktail. So what we're going to do is garnish our small cocktail glass with a gummy snake. So what you want to do now is put some ice in your shaker, which I've already done. So as you can see, guys, I put in 45 ice cubes. So the first ingredient into the shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of velvet Falernum. It says very Caribbean. Next ingredient into the shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Grenadine. That sweetens it up. Next ingredient, guys, is 20ml, just short of 3/4 of an ounce of white rum. And last but not least, to give it a little bit of an extra bite, 10ml, 1/3 of an ounce of Overproof rum. We're using Wray and Nephew for this one, 63%. Right, put your lid on, and now give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So get your small cocktail glass with your gummy snake garnish, and pour into a glass. And that, guys, is how you make my Anaconda cocktail. So we'll lift the snake as I'll take a sip from the drink. How does it taste? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I must say I'm delighted with the outcome, and that is absolutely beautiful. The Grenadine complements all the rum with it, with the velvet Falernum. Gives it a little bit of sweetness, but nicely balanced with the rum. That is a beautiful rum drink. And I'm very pleased with the result. That is absolutely beautiful. Because it's a nice colour, a nice garnish, and it looks very scary, doesn't it? But it's absolutely delicious. I'd rate that 9 out of 10. I'm really pleased how it's turned out. Because one of my better ones I've made, my own creations. Beautiful. It's not overpowering. Well, that, guys, is the Anaconda cocktail. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So let me know in the comments below what Halloween themed cocktails you want to see, as I've done plenty over the years. Because there's any specific one you want to see, or even shots as well, as I'll be doing a few more over the upcoming days in the lead up to Halloween. But like, guys, it's the Anaconda cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for the next Halloween themed cocktails. Happy Halloween.